Hi, this is Ken with Kens Jobs LLC. Today I'm going to offer some basic troubleshooting suggestions that may be able to help with video doorbell installation issues on mechanical doorbell chimes. First, let's start off with the basics. It's important to check your transformer and doorbell chime prior to purchasing or installing a video doorbell. Check the doorbell chime for the recommended voltage. You can do this by opening the chime cover and looking inside for the printed voltage recommendation. Once you know the voltage your chime needs, check the transformer is putting the voltage out within the recommended range. In this instance, 18.2 VAC is proper for the 16 VAC chime. If you have too low of a voltage coming from your transformer, your device may not power on, prevent setup, or work properly. If your voltage is too high coming from the transformer, it could cause humming, buzzing, constant chiming, or static interference noise over the doorbell. One last thing I want to discuss I see a lot of complaints online about is hearing a buzzing or humming coming from the chime after installing a video doorbell. It is important to remember that video doorbells are constantly pulling power, and your doorbell chime may interpret this as a slight press of the doorbell button. If your transformer and chime are properly matched, you can use a 10 ohm 1/2 watt resistor or more on the chime to prevent it from humming or buzzing like I did here if your video doorbell didn't provide a power adapter. We hope some of these suggestions have helped you if you've been experiencing trouble with your doorbell installation. If you're looking for security camera installation in St. Louis, Missouri and surrounding areas, check out our website at kensjobs.com. If you'd like to see new security product unboxing, installation, and reviews, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kens Jobs LLC is not liable for any damages you may cause yourself or your property. If you're not familiar with what you're doing, hire a professional. Thanks for watching.